Do you sometimes waste hours trying to come up with YouTube video ideas, scripts, titles, descriptions, and want to find a solution? Millions of people use Chat GPT or AI to make their life easier. In this video, I'll show you 5 highly effective Chat GPT hacks to grow your YouTube channel. Here's how to use Chat GPT to come up with YouTube video ideas. I went to chat.openai.com and entered "Give me 10 video ideas for how to get more views on YouTube." Let's see what it comes up with. Top 10 tips for YouTube success, behind the scenes of your channel, collaboration with other YouTubers, reacting to viral videos, Q&A with your subscribers, exploring trending topics, etc. If you want to get 10 more ideas, just enter the prompt, "Give me 10 more." Let's see what it gets. Hacks and tips in your niche, mistakes to avoid, rapid fire Q&A challenge, epic transformation makeover, exploring unique places or events, etc. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT can spit out new video ideas that you may not even have thought of. Here's how to use ChatGPT to write multiple video titles. I chose the video topic, Top 10 Tips for YouTube Success. I then asked ChatGPT to list out 10 super engaging titles for top 10 tips for YouTube success. Here are the 10 titles. YouTube Domination, 10 Proven Tips for Explosive Channel Growth. Crack the Code, 10 Insider Tips to Master YouTube Success. 10 YouTube Secrets You Need to Know for Massive Viewership. From Zero to Hero, 10 Tips for Building a Thriving YouTube Channel, etc. If I'm not happy with those 10 titles, I can ask ChatGPT to give me 10 more. Here's how to use ChatGPT to write a video script within a few seconds. I asked ChatGPT to write a script for a video titled YouTube Domination, 10 Proven Tips for Explosive Channel Growth. Let's see the results. As you can see, I've got the intro, define your niche. Tip 2, compelling content creation. Tip 3, optimize video SEO. Tip 4, consistency is key. Tip 5, engage with community. Tip 6, collaborate and cross-promote. Tip 7, harness the power of social media. Tip 8, study analytics and improve. Tip 9, create eye-catching thumbnails. And tip 10, stay true to yourself. If I wanted to create a new script, I can ask ChatGPT to rewrite the script. Instead of using the script as is when you film a video, try to include personal stories, facts, etc. This will help make your video content unique and keep your audience engaged. Here's how to use ChatGPT to create a super engaging video hook. I asked ChatGPT, give me 5 ideas for attention-grabbing hooks for the first 10 seconds of a YouTube video titled YouTube Domination, 10 Proven Tips for Explosive Channel Growth. Let's see the results. Attention all aspiring YouTube rock stars. In this video, I'm about to reveal 10 jaw-dropping tips that will skyrocket your channel growth and turn you into a YouTube powerhouse. That sounds pretty good. I think I'll use that one. Keeping your viewers engaged in the first 10 seconds of your video increases the likelihood of a viewer's watching the whole video, so it makes sense to create a strong hook. Here's how to use ChatGPT to create a search engine optimized description for a YouTube video. I asked ChatGPT to write a short search engine optimized description for a video titled YouTube Domination, 10 Proven Tips for Explosive Channel Growth. Let's see the results. Want to conquer YouTube and see your channel explode with growth? Discover the ultimate roadmap to success with YouTube Domination, 10 Proven Tips for Explosive Channel Growth. Unveil insider secrets and battle-tested strategies to skyrocket your views, subscribers, and engagement. If I want to make the description shorter, I can ask ChatGPT to shorten it to 3 lines. Let's see the results. Crush YouTube with YouTube Domination, 10 Proven Tips for Explosive Channel Growth. Unveil insider secrets to skyrocket views, subscribers, and engagement. Optimize SEO and craft captivating content for ultimate success. In this case, it's enough to just use the first 2 lines. What if you want to use ChatGPT to identify your ideal viewer so you can target the right audience with the right content? Watch this video on the screen right now titled, "Why is it important to know your target audience?"